So my son asked me if I could make a key for this American Lock Series 700, requesting from his boss because they acquired it but no key. So we are going to use the Lishi AM5 lockpick and decoder. Tension tool. All right, let's see here. My hand. There we go. All like that. Bounces. Bounces. No bounce. Bounces. There we go. I don't know about that first one. I think it went down too far. Release a little tension, bounces, bounces, little bounce, just a little more. Nothing, bounces. This was the only one that doesn't seem to bounce. Let's reset this. Definitely this first one. I felt it move. Definitely movement in the lock. Alright, so that went all the way down to 1. There's no bounce here. Let up a little tension. There we go. There we are. All right, now while we got this open, we will read the pins. So we got a 1. Looks like a 2. Looks like a 7, 1, 2, 7, 5, 6. All right, so let's write that down. All right, let's double check the numbers. We got a 1. Looks like a 2. Looks like 7. cut was 6. Alright. So let's cut a key and see if that works. Alright. Now we need the key card. Take that out. I'm gonna go with the C30 card. Use the 1011 cutting wheel. It's a 90. 1011. We get your gloves and your safety glasses when you're cutting keys, because you do not want the brass poking your eyes. All right, here's my numbers. Let's give this a try. Okay, let's give this a try. I'm gonna take this back out. There you go. Smooth like butter. Perfect.